Hello friend, so today for cooking we are going to use this yam, and this is the type of yam that I'm going to use for my cooking. It has multiple rings around it, and it comes in different shapes. So these are the smaller ones, and these are bigger ones. So I'm going to cook them. I'm going to peel the skin and then cut them into small pieces and cook them. For these small ones, I'm not going to use normally what we do with these, we boil them, and after we boil them we peel the skin and we have them with tea. We eat them with tea, adding salt to it, and then we have it with tea. So that is how we eat it. So you see, these are locally planted yams that we get here in Meghalaya or in northeast India, and we have these with rice, or we cook them with pork or even dry fish. So today I'm going to cook them with dry fish, and we'll see how does it taste and how does it look, and I hope you will also try it and enjoy it. Di paralok Khublei kini Jyntah Shriew bagi penonton habangi Shet Jyntah ni habangi bam hapo Recipie jong di Mynta kasih rungan penonton kini bagi Shet nang bagi nyo ban bam bat ke Dohkha tyrkhong to ngin peit Kumno ban Shet. So you can see here, these are the fish that we have dried under the sun, and we normally dry them during winter because the intensity of the sunlight is very strong, and then we cut them into pieces after they are dried, and we cook them with the yam, or we cook them like that also. And for today I'm not going to use these smaller one. I'm going to use only these big fishes, and I'm going to cut them into pieces and cook along with the yam. So kani ka bagi jupenan kam kapor ni juthat hi kini ni that hi haye pila anthat haye ni pila anthat ba habaron si pisa pat iki pisa Shet Jyntah Shriew ti Mynta kasih penan kam kani ka di ka khaba ka bagi la penan kam pila ron penan kam ngom ka khathli pat ki ki chak Dohkha. So let us see and how does it taste. Here we are using only one medium size onion. Only one onion of medium size, and we have to cut it like this. Di paralok apadon kam tang we pian balong pedeng ke jinghe, ndai barit than ndai bahe than, we balong pedeng ke jinghe. So here I'm using a 1/4 cup of mustard oil, and the oil is ready. So I'll add along with the onion. I'm also going to add the smashed garlic cloves, about 5 to 6 cloves, and small size ginger smashed, so I'll fry it for 2 minutes. So let us see after 2 minutes. Now I'll add about half teaspoon turmeric powder, along with the turmeric powder. I'm going to add a base of black sesame seed. I've made a base of about 2 teaspoons. And we'll stir it. So here at this point of time I'll pour a little bit of water. So after I stir it like this, I will have to cook it for another 2 minutes. Okay, so now after 1 minute, 1 or 2 minutes, so you can see the gravy is like this. So at this point of time, I will add the fish. I have soaked the dry fish like this in water to make it soft. And now I'll stir it and mix it well. Here I'll also add a little bit of water. So I will cook it for another 2 minutes and we'll wait for it to see how does it look after that. You can see here after 2 to 3 minutes how does it look. So we have the gravy and the dried fish. So now I'll keep first the dried fish in a bowl. I'll separate it from the gravy and I'll cook it again later. Why I have to do this? Because when I cook the yam, I have to crush it. So while crushing the yam, I don't want to crush the fish. So that is why I have to remove it first, and when the yam is soft and tender, then I will add the fish again. In the first place, I cook it first because I need to get the aroma, so that the aroma of the fish is mixed with the gravy here. Tingi hak man weng no ya kan ikado hadin ya ka Dohkha hadin mengila dep sedi kanang ba ni sedi syu akan tu bat ka berupiat lah ni bag gravy di tanah kada bakan makan sma ubi ka tu ka Khublei Jyntah tingin sa thep yang yaki shibet hadin mengila dep hadin baka Shriew kala jam. So now that I have removed the fish, so I'll add our yam here now. Timantang ila bo ngila thep ya ka Shriew in king ya ka konto pad hadin mengila king in satap yang kanto kanipor hadin mengila weng ya ka Dohkha. So now I will stir it. I'm stirring it for some time, and after that we'll cover it and we'll let it cook for another 4 to 5 minutes. I'll also add a bit of water here. So I'll keep it like this for another 4 to 5 minutes, and let's see after that how does it look. Okay, now after 2 minutes it looks like this. So I'll be waiting for, I'll add some water. You can see the level of water that we can give. So you can add water till it slightly covered the yam. And now we will cook it for another, we'll leave it like that for another 10 to 15 minutes. In between you can check, you can see, but you need to cook it for another 15 minutes. So now let us see, after 15 minutes, it's not yet soft. We have to cook it for another 10-15 minutes. But before that, now I'll add salt to it. You can add salt according to your taste. Mynta hadin kubash ko kasan minit dang lo hang ligador dang ham ni haban Shet Jyntah dapat ngalai melu pila banai kat kum ka jingbam jong pi. So I'll cook it for another 10 to 15 minutes. Then I'll add a little more water. After 15 minutes, but in between you can keep on stirring it to prevent it from burning. So now after 35 minutes of cooking, and this is how it looks, and now we have to crush them into smaller pieces. All these pieces of yams. So this is how we do it. It is softer than before, so now we can easily chop it into smaller pieces. To make it more thick, and when we eat it, will be more delicious when you don't have to chew it. So we'll also have thick gravy. At this point of time, we will also add some more ginger. Ito kadang inangkan prakum ni ngin haban ay sa using hendiat marusing pun sma ubi dia tani Shet Jyntah Shriew haban prak ni hadu bakan dalam sebab hadu bon prang tu bahe bakan hambang bandang ilpang. Nice kan dia pusing. Crushed ginger. When the aroma of ginger and the yam mix together, it makes it more delicious. So it's almost done. After crushing this, we will also add our fish. That's why I told you before that we cannot crush it. We cannot keep the fish in the curry and then crush it, because the fish also will be crushed. So, kumni kalau alam atat, and I sekalian. And at this point of time, I have also lowered the flame. So we have been cooking food in this wok for more than 30 years now, and it's still going on very nicely. Kani ka karay kani ka balak lai post nem ngila penam kamya ka Mynta padahal Mynta kadang ne kadang baha at haray la long atat hi. Now I think it's ready, so I will add the fish now. Before that, a little more water. Wow, now it looks really delicious, and I am hungry now. The smell of the curry makes me feel hungry. So I'll cover it for another 2 minutes, and then it's ready to eat. Okay, so now a yam curry is ready. The scent of the dry fish that melts with ginger and yam makes my mouth watery now. I'm really hungry and I'm gonna have it now. So my friend, you can try it at home. It's very easy to cook. You don't need so much ingredient, and you can try it. It's tasty, and I'm sure you'll like it if you are someone who likes fish and someone who likes to eat wild ham. Paralok sa persyang ini kalau lai Mynta sa persyang ban Shet kalong kabasok ng kam shibun ki Jyntah jingbam mo hangani gadol kila ban persyang bat kani kan ngin papin sabang ni kan Jyntah Shriew. I normally have yam curry. I would not have any other type of curry. I'll just have yam curry, and along with some salad. Like today I'm using mint and cucumber. So it's delicious, it's light, it's not too spicy, it's not spicy at all, and it's healthy to eat. So especially for those people who have rheumatism, it is always advised to have yam to strengthen their bones. And so I'm loving it. Even the fish is soft, you can see, and it's delicious. So my friend, you prepare this at home, you try it, and I hope you like it, especially when you like to eat simple things. This is the best curry you can try. And please subscribe to my channel for many more videos to come, and please like and share it with your friends. Thank you, and enjoy eating.